Nothing says the American dream like living in the home you've always wanted. BCU is proud to play a part in that dream by empowering people to discover financial freedom.
BCU is unique in that it is a member-owned, not-for-profit financial institution, one of the largest ones in the Chicagoland area. It's our purpose to help our members achieve their financial freedom. We work to make sure the members make the right decisions, the members make investments in their home that is the right fit for them, and that is going to be a place for a member to raise their family, find their dreams, and just live the financial life that they want to live.
Not all home loan products are the same. Let's start by talking about some of the more unique ones that BCU can offer.
We have innovative products that are really designed to help members in no matter what stage of life they're in. So for members who are renters that are looking to buy their first home, we have products that are designed to help them build credit. We have products designed to help save for a down payment. We have low down payment first-time home buyer products. For members who are looking to buy a vacation home or perhaps buy the home that they'll be using for their retirement, no matter what stage they are in their financial journey, we are here to help them.
If you think you don't have the resources to qualify for a mortgage, have we got news for you?
For most people, the home is their most prized possession. Here at BCU, what we do is we will walk the homeowner every step of the way throughout the refinance and home buying process. A couple of examples we have is our rate lock protection program. It's good for 120 days. It follows the borrower and not the property. So in the event that they're shopping for a home and the deal falls through and it doesn't go through to closing, they can shop for another property and the rate lock will still go with the borrower and not the property. Another feature to that program is that if the rates should go down, they have the option to get the lower rate during that time period. For members looking to make home improvements, we have home equity lines of credit and unsecured lines of credit.
BCU members enjoy exceptional service and great financial benefits.
BCU is a relationship-driven organization. It's our goal to create lifelong relationships with our members. I can't tell you the number of emails that I get from members who are thanking us for putting them in their first home, the home of their dreams, their forever home. We create relationships so that our members trust us. We let members know what they can expect through the process. We let them know how much things are likely to cost. We want to make sure members are put into a home that they can afford and that it's a sustainably good decision for them. We feel that it's the right thing if members are referring, their friends, their neighbors to us, but also their family, and that's what we hope to build.
Finding the right guidance and, better yet, financial partner can go a long way towards reaching your goals.
Our purpose is to empower our members to discover financial freedom, and what that looks like is really different for each member. So based on your financial situation, based on your stage of life, different products will be relevant to you, and it's our goal to ensure that we've got the right products that really will provide you value and will help you better afford whatever future you intend for yourself. And that could be savings products, helping to save for a rainy day, save for retirement. That could be buying your first car or student lending. Different people at different times have different needs, and it's our goal to always be there for those members.
To find out more about BCU, visit bcu.org and designingspaces.tv.